Hi, I'm Matthew Accarrino. We're here at Chefs Club Aspen, and I'll be here all summer until September, cooking in this restaurant. And we're going to do a menu. It's a 4-course menu here all summer long, and one of those courses is going to be pasta, because back in San Francisco where I have my restaurant, we're always doing pasta. It's an Italian restaurant. So we made some squidding pasta, and we're going to finish that. We're going to cook it, and we're going to finish it with a shellfish puttanesca. We've got some great wild arugula here, and then we've got an olive breadcrumb to top it. Okay, so this is my sous chef Anthony. So we've got the dough here. So for an extruded pasta dough, it actually looks like breadcrumbs or something. It doesn't look like pasta dough, but you'll be amazed. We transfer it to this machine over here. This is the squidding pasta dough. So we have this machine that's able to, using a worm, push the dough through, and hence the extrusion part. And as it pushes the dough through, it creates an incredible amount of force in the bronze die here. And then that bronze die is important because it creates just minor irregularities in the pasta, and that's how all the pasta sauces cling to the pasta. So now we're going to take this. I have some prepared already, and we'll head over to the stove and bring the dish together. So we've got our pasta, and what we do is in these little sandwich bags, and you can reuse these, but we'll flip it. This keeps it, dry enough, but also not to the point where it gets too moist. So for us making a lot of pasta, and also it's perfectly portioned. So we'll take this, open it, and then it goes right in. While that cooks, this is the puttanesca we make. So we use San Marzano tomatoes. We've got some of the whole mussels in here, black olives, chunks of octopus, capers, got some green Castelvetrano olives, and then we're getting a really nice sea bass for them. We take the belly and we skin it and clean it and dice it and fold it right into the pasta sauce when it's hot still, and then it just lightly cooks. All the arugula we'll add in. I like to put a good amount of greens into the pasta, and they'll wilt down as it goes. You'll notice in a minute here when I drag the pasta over into the pan, I'll try and pull some water with it. We use that water to give us a little room to cook the pasta and the sauce together, and that's kind of a critical element in Italian cooking and cooking pasta in general, is that to be able to marry all those flavors. There's me pulling that water through. Start to bring this around to combine. So you can see the really striking black noodles. That's the squidding. And the squidding does actually give a flavor. It gives kind of a nice briny flavor to the noodle. You can see right at the point where the pasta is glazing in the sauce. It's just such a beautiful thing to be able to make your own pasta. Do these different takes on things, so we'll be able to incorporate all the different seasonality and the things that we find. So really simple. Then very Italian thing. We'll take all the ends of all the bread and turn them into breadcrumbs. In an Italian kitchen, very little goes to waste. We also take some black olives and we pit them and then dry them. So then these breadcrumbs have been toasted in garlic oil and seasoned with salt and black pepper. That's it. That's one of the dishes that would be offered on the 4-course menu. So this would be a portion for 2 people to share. So you can see the food is generous in concept and in spirit and in portion. So we hope that everyone will come and enjoy.